Hey Pan Peeps, it's Mary from VintageCastIron.com. I wanted to show you, this is my Iron Mountain by Griswold chicken pan, number 8. And this is a pan that I used last night to have a wonderful New Year's Eve roast. And I let it sit overnight so I could show you how well I can clean this with my chainmail scrubber. You can see it's got a layer of fat. Just I'm going to melt off all that fat with some hot water. I'm pretty health conscious, and so I try not to use a lot of fat when I cook, and I ordinarily would not cook a roast with this much fat, but it was New Year's Eve. I wanted to treat, what can I say? Okay, you can see that I've got most of the fat out of the pan now, but there's still some bits stuck to the pan. So I'm going to take my trusty chainmail scrubber, right here, 6 inches by 7 inches. I purchased this from thepanhandler.com, and that, some of you might know me as the Panhandler. I have stepped back from the business end of the business, and now Anna's running the business, and I'm simply in a consulting role. Putting a little dish soap in my pan. I am not of the school that you can't use dish soap. If I feel like it needs dish soap, I will put some in there. So this is cleaning up really quickly, really nicely. One of the nice things about the chainmail scrubbers is you can really feel when you've gotten all the bits off. Now I've gotten all the bits off. Rinse out your chainmail scrubber, hang it to dry. Look at that beautiful pan. I love this pan. This is one of my favorite pans. Has been for years. I'm going to take my paper towel, dry it off. Some people like to put their pans in the oven or on the cooktop and warm, oh, I hit that, sorry about that, and warm it up to make sure it's completely dry. I don't find that necessary, but if you feel like doing that, go crazy. There you go, you can see how beautiful the pan is. Now I'm going to take my pan, little spritz, wipe it on the surface to protect the surface. There's my gorgeous Iron Mountain chicken pan, ready for its next use. Thanks very much.